Chimpanzees are often depicted as playful and intelligent creatures, but beneath their charming facade lies a darker, more unsettling reality. These primates, our closest relatives, exhibit behaviors that are both awe-inspiring and terrifying. From calculated violence to complex social strategies, the truth about chimpanzees reveals a brutal side of nature that is rarely discussed. Their remarkable intelligence and complex societies mirror our own in many ways, but they also expose a chilling capacity for cruelty and destruction that few other animals exhibit. Chimpanzees share 98 to 99% of their DNA with humans, making them strikingly similar to us. This genetic overlap extends beyond biology into their behaviors, emotions, and problem-solving abilities. However, this intelligence has a dark side. Their ability to plan, strategize, and form alliances mirrors human behavior but often results in shocking acts of violence and cruelty within their communities. Their emotional complexity also leads to actions driven by jealousy, revenge, and power, emotions that can turn deadly in a matter of moments. Chimpanzee societies are highly hierarchical, with dominant males vying for power. These power struggles can turn vicious, involving calculated attacks on rivals. Fights for dominance are not mere displays of strength but are often marked by strategy and alliances. A powerful male may rally others to his side to eliminate a competitor, only to betray his allies later. This cunning behavior showcases their advanced social intelligence, but it also highlights a ruthless aspect of their nature. These power struggles can last for months or even years, creating a tense and often violent environment within the group. One of the most unsettling aspects of chimpanzee behavior is their propensity for coordinated violence. Groups of male chimpanzees have been observed patrolling their territory in organized units, searching for intruders. These patrols often end in violent encounters, with the males attacking lone chimps from rival groups. Such attacks are methodical, targeting vulnerable individuals and killing them with brutal efficiency. This behavior, known as lethal raiding, is unique among animals and reveals their capacity for strategic violence. Such raids serve to expand their territory and resources, ensuring their group's dominance and survival. Chimpanzees are also skilled hunters, but their methods can be surprisingly brutal. They work together in coordinated teams to hunt monkeys, small antelopes, and other prey. The process is highly organized, with individuals taking on specific roles to corner and capture their prey. However, their predatory instincts sometimes extend beyond hunting for food. In some cases, male chimpanzees have been observed killing infants within their own group. This act of infanticide is a strategy to eliminate competition and force the infant's mother into a reproductive cycle, ensuring the male's genes are passed on. The calculated nature of such behavior is both fascinating and horrifying. Their intelligence extends to tool use, which is often celebrated as a mark of their advanced cognitive abilities. Chimpanzees use sticks to fish for termites, stones to crack nuts, and leaves to scoop water. However, their tools are not always used for constructive purposes. Some chimpanzees have been seen sharpening sticks to use as spears, employing them to hunt smaller animals or defend themselves against threats. This innovative use of weapons demonstrates their problem-solving skills but also highlights their potential for violence. The emotional lives of chimpanzees are just as complex as their physical behaviors. They form strong bonds with family members and other group members, often showing affection and support. However, these bonds can also lead to intense rivalries and betrayals. When disputes arise, they are not always resolved peacefully. In some cases, chimpanzees hold grudges and seek revenge, sometimes weeks or months after an initial conflict. Their ability to remember past interactions and act on them later suggests a level of cognitive complexity that rivals humans in certain aspects. One particularly eerie behavior observed in chimpanzees is their reaction to death. When a group member dies, others often gather around the body, touching and grooming it as if trying to understand the concept of death. While this may seem compassionate, it sometimes takes a darker turn. In rare cases, chimpanzees have been observed cannibalizing the bodies of deceased individuals, a behavior that remains poorly understood but adds to their terrifying reputation. Despite their darker tendencies, It is important to remember that chimpanzees are a product of their environment. Their actions are driven by survival instincts, competition for resources, and the need to secure their place within their social hierarchy. Humans share many of these traits, and studying chimpanzees offers a window into our own evolutionary past. Their behaviors, both good and bad, reflect the complexity of life in the animal kingdom and challenge us to confront uncomfortable truths about ourselves. Chimpanzees are a reminder of the thin line between humanity and nature. They are intelligent, emotional, and capable of incredible feats, but they are also a stark example of how survival often requires aggression, strategy, and sacrifice. While they inspire awe and admiration, they also evoke a sense of unease, forcing us to recognize the raw and untamed aspects of life that lie just beneath the surface. Understanding the terrifying truth about chimpanzees is not just about them, it's also about us.